All right, how's it going? Welcome back. My name is Brian. If you haven't watched any of my videos, the last video we installed a bunch of dukes, and this one in particular we're going to check because the last video you can see my queen. I pointed her out and she flew off. So I don't know. I haven't checked since. It's been about a week, so hopefully she's in there. All right, everybody. So here we go. We're going to see if she's back. Now this was the hive that the queen flew away. We'll see if she came back. Hopefully she did. Give us a little bit of smoke, not a whole lot. That's fine. I already took all my feeder buckets off earlier. I'll put them on later. Still a lot of bees. That's good. All right, so it's been about a week. So if she's in there, you'll see eggs, new eggs, and if she's not in there, there'll be a bunch of queen cells. So hopefully we see eggs. Just in case there is queen cells, I'm going to take 2 frames out so we don't ruin any. They are calm, so that is one good sign. And it's windy, and that's not good. All right, first frame. They drew this out nice. No eggs. Next frame. Cross your fingers. Ha! And we got eggs. That's great. Good sign. That means she is in there. She flew back. That is a great sign. That's great. I don't have to worry about trying to get them to make a new queen. So, that's it. Really don't need to check anything else. That's all I wanted to see, is see if she came back. Put this stuff back. I'll put my feeder bucket on later. Good news. She's back. So that's why you don't panic when you see your queen fly away or something like that. Just don't panic. You know, I didn't, kind of. Well, anyway, that's it. If you like this video, hit the like. Help me out. Hit the subscribe. Thanks. We'll see you again.